Updating your billing address on HMA VPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the HMA VPN website and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the account settings, find the Billing Information or Payment Details option. Click on it to view your current billing information. Step 4. Update your address. Locate the section for your billing address. Enter the new address details in the provided field, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm and save your changes. Make sure to double-check your new billing address for accuracy. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure uninterrupted service.